Alright guys, I'm only going to attempt to hover this sucker because I'm not even sure if the gyro is set up right or its wash plate's level. Let's just give it a low hover, stand back. Launching. Get back here. %. That's holding. The blades are not tracking right. Got one blade higher than the other. There's no stability mode. This is an old school 450 flybar helicopter. It's got some tail drift, probably because of the vibration. Breeze it doesn't like. I'm going to land soon as those blades are not even. See if you can see it on camera. Yep. Why not? Ooh, it's a fast rudder. Got to slow that down. Alright, landing. Not good.